Hi, I'm Samuel Sierra. I'm a second year student, class of 2026 at Miami-Dade College, specifically from the Honors College. Today I'm gonna talk about my experience with Top Hat. My psychology professor told us that he was gonna use it throughout the semester to keep the class more engaged, and I did not expect it to be so successful. I'm a student that tends to distract itself a lot, so whenever I would lose my attention from the professor, I would go back to my screen, my computer, and then reconnect with the lesson basically, as well as the questions that the professors are able to place in the middle of the lessons to keep the class paying attention. That also helped a lot, not only to keep up with my grade, but to understand the concept of the class and to keep up a good grade basically. So I do recommend Top Hat for universities, colleges, schools, because for my experience, it has helped me a lot.